Here's a view of the specs so you can see the difference in the current models. New Ecovex Deebot N8 has great suction with 2300 Pascal or PA compared to the 1500 on the previous T5 and T8 models. You can really hear the increased suction, but still not overly intrusive. However, much shorter battery life with the 3200 milliamps per hour, giving you around 110 minutes of charge running on standard suction compared to the 5200 milliamps on the previous models, which gave you about 180 minutes of charge. And of course, the increased suction on carpet is going to reduce that battery life. So I would say this would work very well for a small to mid-sized floor plan. You have many advanced features: multi-floor mapping to allow you to fully map 2 floors, auto mode, which vacuums every room it has access to, area mode, which allows you to select what rooms you want cleaned, and custom mode, where you select the exact area you want the vacuum to clean. Continuous cleaning tries to determine what charge is needed to finish the job without having to wait for it to fully recharge. This function only seems to work in auto cleaning mode. Virtual boundaries, also known as no-go lines, no mopping zones, carpet detection, room merge, room divide, and limited room labels that work with your smart speaker, and is compatible with the auto empty station that can be bought separately or as a package. Reach down here and take out the water tank. Setting up your mop is pretty easy. You get your water tank. You have a blue tab here. You fill that with tap water, no detergent or anything like that. You have your mopping plate here. It has 2 tabs on it that goes in the 2 holes on the tank. So you snap in. To get them off, the real easy way is to pull down on it and then pull forward, and it'll pop right off. Otherwise, you might have to struggle with it. You have your washable pad. It fits on this lip here. I'm not going to try. And then there's a Velcro top surface back here, and it just slides on. You're ready to go. It also comes with disposable pads. They don't have a lip, but they just stick on just like the other ones did. Line up, be ready to go. Once you're done, just come down here and reinsert the tank with the mopping plate on.
Mopping plate has been installed.
And it will say mopping mode on your phone, and you're ready to go.